Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your WhatsApp is not working and it's showing you need official WhatsApp to use this account, so I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, mostly this problem occurs when you are using any GB WhatsApp or any third party WhatsApp to use your WhatsApp number. So if you are facing this type of issue, first you need to uninstall your GB WhatsApp or any third party WhatsApp and you have to use your official WhatsApp app. For that you just need to open the Play Store and type here WhatsApp. After that you have to download your WhatsApp from the Play Store. Just tap on install and download it. After downloading, enter your mobile number and create an account. After doing this, still you are facing the issue. First you need to long press on this Chrome. Just tap on app info. In this you can see your storage and cache. Just tap on this. Tap on clear storage. In this you can see here last clear all data, or you can see here all data stored by sites. Just tap on this manage. You can clear data all from here. Below you can see here clear all data. Just tap on this clear all data and check whether it is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then open the Chrome browser. Then type here WhatsApp support. You can see here contact WhatsApp. Just tap on this. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here WhatsApp Messenger support. Just tap on contact us. Here you need to enter your mobile number. Select your country first. After that enter your mobile number. Enter your email address. Again you need to confirm your email address and select the device whichever you are using, Android, iPhone, web or desktop. After that just type the message here. First I will enter the mobile number and type the message here. Dear WhatsApp team, without any reason my WhatsApp account is banned. Please fix my issue as soon as possible. After that just tap on next button. After that you can see here last option send question. After tapping send question, your request will be sent to the WhatsApp team. After sending the request, within one day your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.